Keeping your Toro lawnmower engine cooler and running longer does not require complex repairs. It starts with smart maintenance habits, and today, we are breaking down exactly how you can protect your engine from its biggest enemy, heat. Welcome to WholeToolBox. Excess heat reduces performance, lowers fuel efficiency, and shortens engine life, but controlling it is easier than you think. Proper airflow is the foundation of engine cooling. Grass clippings, dust, and debris often clog the engine shroud, cooling fins, and air intake, trapping heat inside the engine. Regular cleaning allows heat to escape and keeps operating temperatures stable. Following Toro's recommended oil type and viscosity reduces internal friction and helps the engine run smoother and cooler, so always check oil levels before use and change the oil at regular intervals. The air filter also plays a major role in temperature control. A dirty or clogged air filter restricts airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and generate excess heat. Old or contaminated fuel can cause incomplete combustion, leading to overheating and poor performance, while fresh fuel ensures smooth ignition and efficient energy transfer. Cooling fins and cylinder surfaces must stay clean to dissipate heat properly, especially during extended operation. Avoid running the engine at maximum load for long periods in hot conditions and allow short cooling breaks during heavy use. Regular inspections help catch small issues before they turn into major problems. For genuine Toro replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.